Welcome back to Onyx Web Tutorials, your engineering software tutorials channel. If you ever want to change your current open templates, here's how to do it. Go to Window menu bar, then select Preferences. In the sidebar on the left, select the Template option. Select one of the templates in the Drawing Template list box. Click OK. The next time you create a new model file, Sketchup uses your new default template. Alternatively, you can make your own customized template file and save them as custom templates. And here's how to do it. Using this current default template, let's draw a few 3D shapes here to see results every time we make changes. So, to give you the idea of template customization, here is a brief guide to what kind of customization you can save as templates. Firstly, all the settings in the Model Info dialog box, which sets the defaults for your model as a whole. You can access the Model Info dialog box by selecting Window, and then Model Info. You can see the Model Info dialog box here. In the animation settings, you can change the timing of the scene transition and delay for the animation of the scene. Following that, you can customize the components in group editing, where you can choose whether the rest of the model should fade and hide as well. After that, there are options for text sizing and styles for screen text, leader text, and lines. Then, in the unit settings, select your preferred length and angle units and customize the units format. All changes are automatically saved, so just close the dialog box. We'll now proceed to the geometry display. If you don't like the scale 2D person at the origin, you can change it with any display or geometry you want. If you don't want it, you can also delete it. Then, you can choose the bundled sets of styles from the Styles browser. You can simply observe the change in display or background after a selection of style in this video. In addition, you can customize the edges and profiles, as well as the color of the lines. Now that we've made all our modifications, we'll remove the 3D models here. Save new templates after clearing the drawing. If you want to save new or customized templates, select File, and then Save as Template. Specify the file name for the template, along with the name and description. Be sure to check the checkbox to set it as the default. Then click the Save button. Check if your new saved template is available by going to Window, clicking Preferences, then clicking Template, and you will see your new customized template. By clicking, you can open the template. In addition, you can close Sketchup and launch it again to check if the new template is available for selection. And what we see here is our new saved template. Just click to open it. Thank you for taking the time to view this video tutorial. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. Let me hear your comments by commenting below. See you next week.